Good morning and welcome to this simple stretch routine. You don't need any props, so when you're ready, find a comfortable seated position. Root down into your seat and lift tall through your spine. Place your right hand behind you and draw your left hand to your right knee. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right. Slowly unwind your twist and plant your right hand beside your hip. Inhale, reach your left arm high. Exhale, side bend and lean toward the right. Lengthen across your whole left side body and subtly turn your chest toward the sky. Slowly rise back up to sit and place your left hand behind you. Draw your right hand over your left knee. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist toward the left. Slowly unwind your twist and plant your left hand beside your hip. Inhale, reach your right arm high. Exhale, side bend and lean toward your left. Lengthen across your right side body this time, and ever so slightly turn your chest toward the sky. Slowly rise back up to sit and cross your ankles to roll forward onto all fours. Inhale, reach your right arm up toward the sky. Exhale, weave your right arm under your left and soften your shoulder to the floor. Rise to your left fingertips and walk them forward toward the top of your mat to lengthen across your whole left side body. Let the weight of your torso soften downward and breathe into the release. On your next breath, walk your left hand back under your shoulder and ground down to rise back up to all fours. Inhale, reach your left arm high. Exhale, slide your left arm under your right and soften your shoulder down. Rise to your right fingertips and slide them forward toward the top of your mat to lengthen across your right side body. Soften your torso and your breath into this release. On your next breath, slide your right hand back under your shoulder and ground down to rise back up to all fours. Inhale, soften your belly downward and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Slightly lift your gaze. Exhale, press into your palms, round your back, and draw your chin toward your chest. Inhale, soften your belly down, expand your chest forward, and look up. Exhale, round and curl your spine, and hug your chin to your chest. Draw your shoulder blades apart. Flow through cat and cow one more time at your own pace. Follow the rhythm of your own breath. When you've finished, walk your hands forward slightly and slowly release the weight of your whole body down to the mat. Press firmly into the tops of your feet and roll your shoulders down your back. Hug your shoulder blades toward each other. Inhale, press down into the floor to lift your head and chest up away from the mat. Exhale, slowly release back down. Inhale, root against your feet and pelvis and lift your chest up away from the floor. Exhale, slowly lower back down. Do this one more time at your own pace. And then press down against your hands to rise back up onto all fours. Tuck your toes under and lift your knees. Send your hips toward the sky into downward facing dog. Bend deeply into your right knee and stretch and extend your left leg. Then bend deeply into your left knee and straighten your right. Again, switch sides, bend your right knee deeply and straighten your left. And then bend your left knee deeply and straighten your right. Do this one more time on each side. Then bend both knees as much as you'd like and slowly walk your hands toward the back of your mat. Fold your torso forward and down over your legs. Catch hold of opposite elbows and gently sway your torso from side to side. Shake your head yes and no to release any tension in your neck. Reach your arms up and back behind you and interlace your fingers behind your back. Gently release the weight of your arms forward and down toward the floor over your head. Gently release your hands from behind you and slowly walk your palms back forward toward the top of your mat to return to downward facing dog. Softly release your knees to the floor and uncurl your toes. Send the weight of your hips back toward your heels and soften your torso forward and down over your legs. Release your forehead toward the floor and surrender down into child's pose. Allow yourself to soften into this shape and into your slow, steady breath. On your next breath, gently round up through your spine to rise up to sit. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up overhead. Exhale, release your palms to meet at your heart and bow forward with gratitude for your practice. See you next time. If you'd like to see more classes like this, please be sure to like this video, leave a comment, share this video with a friend or family member, and subscribe.